This is Home Water Help, where we explore common home maintenance problems to keep your water flowing. Today we're looking at a salt bridge and a water softener. We're going to try out the softener spear and see how it works. You can see the U-shaped handle to grip the top. There's the stainless steel rod and a fork at the bottom. Heading on into the utility room, let's open up the lid of this tank and see what we've got inside. Alright, it looks like the salt is towards the bottom quarter of the tank, but you can't tell much from the surface. Let's feel it with the softener spear and check if there's any salt bridge.
So when I push this down, I can feel as the salt gives way, and that indicates there's a salt bridge down below the surface. I can take this and twist it around a couple times as it goes down into the salt, and that helps break that salt apart and allow the system to continue working properly. Most of the salt erodes away close to the intake inlet here, so I get close to the pipe, but make sure I'm staying away from it so I don't cause any damage. So twist it around. You can either grab it on the top or you can grab it on the two sides here. This is pretty easy, not a bad salt bridge here, so just twisting it from the top works out pretty well for me.
Now let's take a closer look with this salt bridge that I made with a 5-gallon bucket. I used the old salt from my water softener tank the last time I cleaned it out and dumped it in this bucket and let it sit. Turns out that it got extremely hard just drying out in the bucket. You can see how the straight part of the fork helps keep the tool in place while the curved side works on breaking through the salt bridge as you rotate the handle. Check out the link below if you want to get a softener spear for yourself.